Hey everyone, it's Kendra, and today I'm going to get it started with a really gorgeous gold and bronzy look that can be worn for every day or special occasions. I've already got my foundation on, and I've got kind of a dark nude lip on. We're going to use the Speak Up palette, and this is the only palette I'm going to use for today. The nice thing about this palette is it comes with a little mirror and it comes with a brush, so we're only going to use that brush. I have already put foundation on my eyelids. So that's gonna be the first step if you've never done that before, that can create a really great base. So this is my setting powder, and I'm just gonna make sure that that foundation is set. Now we're gonna create a really simple holiday eye look that I promise you don't have to have any skills to create, and will look great on any eye shape. We're going to use all three colors, and we're going to use them in a row. Start with the lightest color, and it's going to go on the inner corner of the eye. And it's okay if it goes underneath a little bit too, that'll brighten your eyes. Next, you're going to use the middle color, which is kind of a bright gold. Third color right here. Now I'm going to wipe my brush off so it's kind of cleaned off. I'm going to blend that dark color into the crease of my eye, and notice I'm keeping my eye open while I do it. See the difference? Let's do the other side. You can take some of that gold, and using the skinny little part of the brush, kind of mimic what we did on the top. When you're all done, take whatever you put on your foundation with, and just make sure you clean up underneath your eyes in case you had any fallout. To really make this pop, we're going to use this dual-ended eyeliner pencil. And this end, they're both brown. This is a shimmery brown bronze, and this is just a regular dark brown. I love to use shimmer on the underside of the eye. I'm immediately going to take my little smoky liner brush that I just had, and I'm going to smudge it out. Immediately take that smoky brush, that little tip that came with it. Use the dark side, the dark brown that doesn't have shimmer in it, and we're going to tight line. So to tight line, you lift your lashes, and you're going to apply that liner underneath the lash line. It's going to give you a really thin line. And then using the shimmery side, we're going to go right up over the top. And you guessed it, we're going to smoke that out a little bit with that same brush. So this ensures if you get to it really quickly, you don't have to make that line straight. You don't have to have a steady hand. It's really great. And then smoke it out. And then the final touch for this with eyeliners, we're going to use the dark brown without the shimmer in it and tight line the bottom. Now all we need is a little mascara, and we'll be done.